Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how I am growing a vegetable in the greenhouse. Right here we have pepper, bell pepper that we're growing. They're ripe, ready to be harvested, these ones. And I'm growing them in containers. So I have made a couple of holes towards the bottom of the containers, so that way there's drainage in the containers. So every container has some drainage, so that way when you water it, it's drained and the roots have air to breathe. So, and also I have a video on how I make my potting mix for the containers. So you can check that out in my channel. Here we have water leaf. I don't know the biological name or the plant name for it, but where I come from they call it water leaf, and that's used to cook arrow. So, and here we have a sweet bitter leaf, and these are all spinach like vegetables that I am growing. And I have I'm using styrofoam to grow it here, and I have some holes at the bottom for drainage as well. So we have same thing here. As you see, they have several containers and all of them are doing well. We already harvested some of the leaves that we used to prepare, and some more are still coming out. So same over here, I'm doing the same thing. I'm using smaller containers over here, but also using high quality compost, vermicompost, and they're doing great. And up here I have pepper. I have habanero pepper and ghost pepper, and I'm planting them in containers. As you see, I'm using different containers to grow in them. So here I'm using a vinegar container, oil container, and milk jugs, and they are coming along great. Same over here. Here I have onions right here, growing in that container. I have pepper on the right, and I have sweet bitter leaf, which is also doing great over here. So I'll try to find out the plant name for these, and I'll see if I can put them below the video. So if I find out the plant name, or if anybody knows the plant name for these vegetables, please put them in the comments below. Here I have more water leaf and sweet bitter leaf, or what's called bekang in dialect, growing in different containers over here. And same here, up here we have pepper. We have habanero pepper and ghost pepper growing over here. And like I said, I'm using different containers with good quality potting mix, and I use compost, homemade compost, and vermicompost in my potting mix. and all of them are doing great. So hopefully next week or the week after I will make another video of the greenhouse, or the sorry, the garden outside, and show you how the garden is doing. Inside everything is looking good and they are coming along great. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.